On Friday, India successfully orbited 2 satellites using its new small satellite launch vehicle on its third and final developmental flight. The SSLV D3 mission successfully placed the Earth Observation Satellite EOS-08 weighing about 175.5 kg and the SRO-0 satellite from the Chennai-based startup Space Rickshaw into orbit. ISRO Chairman Dr. S. Somnath announced that the third developmental flight of SSLV has been completed, marking the end of its development process. He added that the SSLV technology would be soon transferred to the industry. Dr. Somnath confirmed that the satellites were positioned in their intended orbits without any deviation and noted that EOS-08 solar panels had been deployed. Mission Director S.S. Vinod emphasized that the flight achieved a major milestone, while Satellite Director M. Avinash highlighted that EOS-08 featured 20 new technologies and 3 new payloads. The SSLV, designed to carry up to 500 kg to low Earth orbit, was developed in response to the demand for smaller satellites. The rocket, costing about Rs 56 crore, launched at 9:17 am and ejected the EOS-08 into orbit at an altitude of 475 km, followed by the SRO-0 satellite. The EOS-08 mission focuses on advancing microsatellite design and integrating new technologies. Built on the Microsat IMS-1 bus, the satellite carries 3 new payloads. The electro-optical infrared payload for capturing images in various IR bands, the Global Navigation Satellite System reflectometry payload for environmental studies, and the SIC UV dosimeter for monitoring UV irradiance and gamma radiation. ISRO also detailed the SSLV's features, including its solid fuel propulsion and velocity trimming module, with liquid fuel for precise satellite insertion. Despite a failure on its maiden flight, SSLV D1, due to incorrect orbits, the subsequent flight, SSLV D2, successfully launched EOS-07 and 2 additional satellites. With the SSLV now operational, ISRO aims to reduce production cost and enhance satellite launch capabilities. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.